Hi, good morning all. So in the functions yesterday we have seen some of the functions. So still some other functions are there. So that is substring. Okay. Substring of string comma position comma how many characters. For that we have to pass this values here. So in the example I have shown you what is the substring, how to use it, but it is used to display the set of characters in a given string. So it is used to extract a part of the string, or if you want some characters from this string, then you can use the substring function. Okay. Substring of string 1 comma starting position. Starting position of character comma length. Length of the length of character, required characters. Okay. So like this we need to use this substring. First you have to use the substring string 1 starting position of the character, and from that how many characters you want. That length of the characters you have to provide for this substring. Suppose we have the substring of Oracle. Okay. So 1 comma 3 5 mention from dual. So what it means, from this Oracle string, so from the starting position and 3 characters. Okay. So from here to 3 characters means over, it will display the over here. Okay. This is the starting position and this is the length, how many characters you want to give. So suppose 1 comma 1 if I mention, then starting position from then onwards 1 characters. Same way, suppose if I mention 2 comma 3 if I mention, what will happen? Cursor will come to here, second place, and from there 3 characters, 1 2 3 here, RAC, it will come RAC. Same way, suppose if I mention 4 comma 2, then cursor will come here, fourth place, from there 2 characters, that is CL, it will come. Suppose 4 comma 3 if I mention, that is CLE. 4 comma 4 if I mention, what will happen? Only after 4 we have the 3 characters, that 3 characters only it will return. Okay. Suppose if I say 5, then it will come to fifth position. From there, how many characters? So 4 characters required, but here only 2 characters are there. So that only it is going to return. If I say 6 comma 2, then E only. So 6 comma 1 and E only. After that, if you say 15 also, that will be only 1 character it is available in this string, so that it is returning E only. Suppose if I say Oracle comma 2, that means starting position 2 onwards, entire string. Suppose Oracle comma 1 if I say, so what will entire it is returning, entire string it is returning. 2 means from the second position entire string. 3 means from the third position to remaining till the end of this. If you are not mentioning the n value, that will take from this position to remaining characters. Suppose if I say 4, then it will come to C. From there, CLE it is printing. Okay. Same way, suppose if you are using the m comma n value, then 1 comma, suppose 4 if you are using, then it will be or yes, it will come. Okay. Same way, suppose we'll take one more string. Select substring of Oracle server. Okay. So from this string, suppose if I mention 0, 1 from Google. So what will happen? It is 0 means it will go to starting position only. So that from there 1 character means it is taking entire string. If you mention 0 also, it is going to take entire string. 0, 4 means ORAC. 0, suppose if I say 8 characters. Then, so Oracle it is having the 6 characters and 1 space, and after that S. So total 8. So it will come to Oracle space S. Okay. So like this, so it will starting position you have to mention and how many characters. Or only if you want from the starting position to end, then you can mention only 0 or something, whatever the starting position. If I want from third, then you can mention string comma 3. Then from the third character onwards, it will print entire string. Suppose if I want from the, this is taking from the left to right. Now I want from the right to left. Okay. Then what I have to do? Here I have to give -1 if I give, what will happen? So -1 means it will come, cursor will come here. From there it is taking 1 character. Suppose -1 comma 3 if I mention. Still cursor will come here. From there it will come to right side. Okay, it is not going to left, right to left. It will go from the left to right only. That means suppose if I say -4, what will come? So here it will come, cursor here, it will come to here, -4. From there, 3 characters, RVA. This will print here. Okay. So when you are giving the +4, what will happen? Cursor will come from this side to left to right. It will come here, C place. From there, 3 characters it will take. Okay. That is CLE it is printing. Suppose if we give -4, what will happen? -4 means it will come here, this side. So from there, 3 characters. Suppose if I say -4, 1, then it will be R only 1 character. So -4, -1 if I give, what will happen? It will return null value. So it won't accept minus in this n value here. Suppose +4, -1. So it won't accept. Only in the m value it will accept the negative. That means that will, whether it will be start from the left to right or right to left based on this m value, it will decide. But from there, so whether it is from the left side or from the right side, it will choose based on the m value. But n value comes only positive. That means from there, how many characters I want to pick it. So that will be based on the n value. So that it should not be negative. Suppose if I give 0, it is coming null value. But suppose if I give 0 here and if I give 2 here, then it is taking starting from the 2 characters. Okay. Suppose if I give starting from the first position, 2 characters same, it is coming. If I give 0 here, what will happen? It is coming null value. To remove enter, n value, then it is starting to ending, it is coming. Okay. So suppose if I want only V are required. So then what I have to do? Minus 3 if I mention, then only I'll get VER. I want only server. Then how to define this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters are there. So here I can be able to figure it out by seeing that word. But in the real time, you won't be able to do like this. For that, you have to use one more string, that is in string, one more function, that is in string also you have to use along with this substring. Okay. So here this is I'm calculating the length of this word, so that based on that I'm giving you -6 here. Okay. So here what will happen? -6 means server starting from here to ending here. It is giving like this. So one more function, that is in string. For this we have to give the string.
సార్ వాట్ అబౌట్ స్పేస్ ని కౌంట్ చేస్తుందా అదర్వైజ్ కౌంట్ చేయదు
చేస్తుంది.
చేస్తుంది అంటే 6, 7 తీసుకుంటుందా స్పేస్?
Suppose if I give -8, what it will come? This is 6 characters and this one is 7, this is 8. So starting from the E it is coming. But
ఓకే.
suppose if you give starting position to some 1,8. So 1,8 means this is already Oracle is the 6 characters and this is the 7th space is the 7th and S is the 8th character. That means Oracle space 8 it will come like this. Okay. So in the string, wherever the space is there and any special characters are there, that also it will be considered. Okay. Coming to in string we have to give, it is used to find the position of the given string. In the substring, what we are doing, portion of the string value we are fetching here. But whereas the in string we are getting the position of the required character or required string starting position or ending position that you can use using this in string function. So in string function, it is used to find the position of the given character, returns occurrence position of the character in the given string. Okay. So we have to give the string and character, comma, position. From there, next n, how many occurrence, which occurrence we want here. Okay. String, character, and position, and this is the occurrence. N is the occurrence. We have to provide like this. And string 1, comma, string 2, that is character or whatever the string you are giving. And here starting position of the character. Okay, comma, again. So here occurrence position. So this is the syntax for this in string to use. Okay. So that is how many values you have to provide, string we have to provide, and which character we want to, from which character you want, that also you have to provide in this C place, and position. From there, how many position, from the position, that is we have to provide, and n means occurrence. So how many times it is occurring in this string. Select in string of hello, welcome, So if I mention like this, okay. Then if I mention this is the string 1 and string 2, I will mention O from dual. I'm not mentioned any M or N value. So only hello, welcome I mentioned in the after that string 1, string 2 only I mentioned in the string. Then it is giving 5th place. Okay. So it is checking for the first occurrence of this. If you are not giving any M comma N values, then first occurrence of this O it is verifying and it is displaying the position of this first occurrence. That is hello, it is in the 5th place. Okay. Suppose if I say C, then which position it is there? This is 5 characters, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th place it is there. Got it? So in string it is going to fetch the position of the given string. Okay. So substring it is part of the string we are going to fetch it. So in string with this position only we are getting. Suppose if we say so instead of this is suppose if I mention some Z, what will happen? Here in the string there is no Z character is there, so that it is returning 0 here. Okay. Select a hello welcome O comma 1 comma 2 if I mention. So starting from the first position, second occurrence. So this is the first occurrence. So it is giving when you use this first time. So here, so it is getting the 5th position. So when you use like this M comma N value, so here starting from this second occurrence, that is in the 11th place. Suppose 1 comma 1 if you are giving, starting from the string and which place it is. So 1 comma 1 means starting from 1 and first occurrence. That is in the 5th place here. Y is in the 5th place. Suppose if I say second occurrence, then it is going to 11th here. It is 11th position. Suppose if I say 3, third occurrence, there is no third occurrence of the O. So that is giving 0 here. Suppose if I take E, so E 1 comma 1 means it is giving the second position here. Again, if I say 1 comma 2, second occurrence, that is in this place it is 8th place it is there. And if I say 3, then it will be 13th position here. After that, if I say 4 means 4th occurrence, there is no 4th occurrence here, so that it will return 0. Okay. Suppose if I say starting position is 6. Okay. So starting position 6 and first occurrence. So then cursor will come here. This is the 5 characters. Cursor will come here, 6th position. From there, first occurrence means E, that is in this place, in this position, 8th position. Okay. So suppose if I say starting position 9, so cursor will come here, and from there, first occurrence is in this place, that is 13th it is giving. Okay. In string, what it is fetching? Position of the given character. Okay. So based on the position. So position where start, if you mention starting means 1, so from 1 to 1, so that is in this place it is there, E is second place, second position. So from the starting, suppose if we say starting position 8, then it will come to here. From there, first occurrence. Suppose if I say starting position 10, then it is going to this place here. So in string, how it is working? So we have to give the string value. After that, which character we want, that place position, starting position, or which position we want to select, that position we have to give position. Number here we have to give. From there, whether it is required first occurrence or second occurrence, we have to provide. Suppose if I say third and second occurrence. So then what will happen? So cursor will come here. From there, second occurrence. So this is the first occurrence and this is the second occurrence. Again, it will come to 13. So in string, based on the position and occurrence values, so it will give the exact position of this given string, given character. Suppose if you given -6. -6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will come here. So there is no third occurrence from here for the L value. Suppose if I say 1, 3, third occurrence of the L. So here 1, 2, 3. This is the third occurrence. So it will give you the ninth place here. Suppose if I say -1, 3. -1 means it will come here. So from there, third position means, so it is going to here. Okay. So it is going to from this, and starting from here, it is checking here. Suppose if I say -3. -3, 1 if I give, that is in the ninth place. Okay. It is verifying in the left direction also. Right to left and left to right also it is verifying. But in the substring only left to right only. Okay. Suppose if I say -4. So cursor will come here. From there it will first occurrence where it is checking, that is in the ninth place it is there. Suppose if I say second occurrence, then it is giving the this value here. Okay. This is in the fourth position. Same way, suppose if I say -4, 3, then it is going to give this is the value here. Third character. Okay. Suppose if I am giving minus means, that is cursor is checking from this place. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this, which place it is there? First occurrence, this one. Second occurrence, this one. Third occurrence, this one, like this. If we give positive for M value, if we are giving 4, then first occurrence will be this one. Second occurrence, this one. And there is no third occurrence of the L here. Suppose if I say 2. Then it is coming to ninth position. The cursor will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is first position, first occurrence, and this is the second occurrence. If I say 5, then instead of the 4, if I say 5, then there is no second occurrence here. 5 means cursor will come here, first occurrence will be here, and there is no second occurrence. Suppose if I say -5 means cursor will come here from their second occurrence. This one and this is the second occurrence. That is fourth place. We say third occurrence, it will come to third position. That is in this place. Suppose if we use this, select a string of welcome, comma say, comma 15. So 15 position means already welcome is only 7 characters only. So 15 means, so it won't give you any value here. That is 0. Suppose if I say 3, then it is giving in the fourth position it is there. C is in the fourth position, so that it is giving. So suppose if I say 5. So from there, first position, it is not there. So from 5 means it will come here. After that, here there is no 3 available, so that it is giving it 0. Select in string of Oracle server e comma 1 comma 1. So that means starting from here, first position of this e, that is in the sixth place it is there. Okay. Suppose if I say second place, second position, then it is in the here it is there. Same way, third position. It is coming to 12th. So suppose if I fourth position means there is no fourth e, it is available from the starting from here. There is only we have the 3 e's only it is there. Same way, suppose if I mention 5 comma 1, then cursor will come here, fifth position. From there, first occurrence means this is the sixth place. Second occurrence means 9. Third occurrence 12. Fourth occurrence, it is not there. Okay, so cursor will come, 5 means cursor will come here. From there, it is looking how many e's are there here. Suppose if I say 7, so it is giving 0. 7 comma 1 means the cursor will come here. From there, first occurrence, that is here it is there. It is in the 9th place. Second occurrence means it is in the 12th place. There is no third occurrence. Third occurrence means it is already E 3 times is there. That is not the thing. So from the position, which position it is there? 7th position. That means here, cursor is here. From here, is there any third E is there? So there is no third E after this place. Only here only 2 it is there. So that it is giving 0 here. Suppose -7 if I say, then also it is 0. -7 means it will come here. Cursor will come here. From there, this is the first position. So there is no third position. So that if I say 2, then also it is 0. 1. Then cursor will come here. From there, first occurrence of the E. So that is E. It is in the sixth place. That position it is giving you. Okay. This is about the in string. Suppose I want to print the given string only some portion of the string, but in the real time, select. Suppose I'm having the Oracle hyphen India hyphen Private Limited. This is the string I am having. Okay. From this, I want to print India only. Okay. So from this string, I want to print India only. Then how can I use this substring and instring? So in this, I need to use both the substring and instring, because substring if I use so here only some characters are there, but if you take from the columns, existing columns of the table, so then you can't whether in the tab column what position it is there, so which position it is there, that you are not aware. So suppose if you want to convert entire column using this substring, so it is not possible to find out the exact position, so that you cannot, here we can count it. So it is Oracle hyphen it is there, that is 6 7 it is there, so that you can mention 7 comma 5. If you mention, then you will get the, that is getting India only. So that means we have to exclude this also. That means this is the 7 and I need to take 8 comma 5, then it will give you India here. But all the time you cannot manually count it, and you cannot give like this 8 comma 5 or 8 comma 7 like that you cannot give. So in this place we have to use the in-string only. Okay. So here what we have to do is we have to use the in-string also here. In-string. So I need to get this. If you want starting from here India, so then I have to find it this first occurrence of this hyphen. So after that 5 characters I need. So that in string of same string I have to take. Okay. In string of same string, comma, from which position I want hyphen here. So that this one, comma, first occurrence. Okay. In this, I need this one position, so that this is the first occurrence here. So I have taken 1, but I need for this substring after this string, after this position, so that I have to add +1. Okay, then if I execute this, it is coming India Private Limited. But here I need only up to India only, so that again I have to capture this position here. What I have to do here to capture this again, I need to use one more in string, so that based on that we have to give the position here again. Okay, again I have to use the in string here. In string, again same. This one I have to use.